Hello and welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to see different types of dogs. Do you love dogs?
Yes, Mom.
Amazing. So let us have some fun with them. This is a Dalmatian.
This is a Dalmatian.
Very good. This is a pug. I love pugs.
This is a pug. I also love pugs.
It's so cute, isn't it? This is a Labrador.
This is a Labrador.
This is German Shepherd.
This is a German Shepherd.
Very good. This is Golden Retriever.
This is a Golden Retriever.
This is a Doberman.
This is a Doberman.
This is a Beagle.
This is a Beagle.
Amazing. This is Collie.
This is a Collie.
This is Pomeranian.
This is a Pomeranian.
This is a Dachshund.
This is a Dachshund.
Isn't it cute?
Yes, it's so cute.
Amazing. I love all the dogs. Can you tell me which one was your favorite?
I love the pug so much. It's very cute.
Okay, so let's buy a pug and love it at home. Which one do you like? Thanks for learning with us, friends. See you tomorrow for more learning videos.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye bye, friends.